Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In front of me is Hyundai HLM24TS500 Smart. That's a very long name. But anyway, I welcome you to the unboxing of this bad boy. Let's begin. So I do have my trusty knife here, and we can start by, well, maybe investigating the box first, since we don't want to get too fast into opening. On the very top of the box we do have a nice information about the TV. We do see that it is a relatively small TV. As you can see, I can easily hold it in my hands. Since it is 24-inch, it's not the biggest amount, but it is pretty good for smaller rooms or bedrooms and all of that. But okay, though I do see that the back of the box is exactly the same, so we don't really care about that. And yeah, let's not wait any longer. Let's open the very first. Let's open the top of the box. Okay, there is also a bit of tape here. And sorry, there's also a tape on this side, so we need to open this. Okay, and now we can try to remove the TV, but before we do that, I'm not sure if it can be seen, but this is how it looks. I will remove the cable. Oh, these are not the cables, these are probably the legs. This is the cable, and it's a charging cable. The power cable, yeah. So I will leave this right behind the logo for now. There's also a couple of more things I can try to squeeze in, but let's not do that. I will also move it to the top, like this. I can actually give you guys a little bit more view of this. So, yeah, as you can see, this is how it looks. Now I can simply remove the TV. Oh, that's unfortunate. I can remove the TV, and the box is, well, almost empty. There's a little bit of styrofoam inside, which we could remove, but I don't see anything below it, so I will keep that inside. Okay. The box is gone, and now we have the TV only, so we can leave the styrofoam, and this is the TV itself. As you can see, it isn't very big and it's not very heavy, though we do have some things here. Let's start with the TV. Let's put it like this. Okay, it can stay without its legs, so that's nice. We can now remove it from the foil, and we can do, I don't really want to catch it by the, oh, okay. I will remove the foil now, and we do have our TV. The fact that we have this glued is pretty funny, but the TV is here. We can wave to each other. And if you are interested, the back is looking like this. So this is not a very big TV, but we do see our ports. There are 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port. And also we have an internet port here for the LAN, and some older video ports that are no longer in use, as far as I'm aware. So for the TV, that's enough. We also have some more cables. I will move them here. So this is everything that was inside of the box. Let me quickly move it like that. So we do have 2 legs, which is probably what we'll use for legit legs for our TV. So this is the first one, and then this is. It's really well packed, that I need to mention that. Okay, so So this is, oh my god, this is the second leg. We even have a little tutorial on how, I guess, we can put this, or where is the front. So that's nice. So these are the legs. I'm not going to assemble this yet. I will do this in another video when I will be assembling the TV. So this is our power cable. You can try to open it so we'll see how long it is. But it doesn't really seem very long. I know you guys can see it very well, but I would say it's about half a meter in length, maybe like 70 centimeters, but I don't think it's more than that. Or actually, never mind, it's a meter. Yeah, okay, never mind, sorry. It is a meter in length. I will leave the cable now, and this is the last foil we have. In here we do have few things, so let's open it. Maybe we can open it without using a knife, I hope. Or we can just rip it open. Yep. So in here we have our TV remote. We do have our user manual, as you can see here. I hope it's not too bright for you. But we do have a whole user manual, also probably like the warranty info. So the user manual stays for the next episode. We also have the bolts that are probably required for assembling the legs, which is also pretty cool. And that's a big surprise, but I also see batteries in here, probably for the remote. I'm surprised. I mean, generally you don't really see batteries here. You have to buy them separately, so that's pretty cool. And this is how the TV remote presents itself. It's pretty funny that we have a dedicated free button and a dedicated TikTok button on the TV. Wow, I mean, I shouldn't really be surprised, to be honest. But yeah, this is all that was inside the box. The user manual, power cable, 2 pair of legs, a few bolts, warranty, batteries, which are pretty important, and of course the TV remote. And I can also, for the last shot, I can take it away. And yeah, this is how it looks. So I hope you liked the unboxing of this Hyundai TV. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.